investing, trust me, it trains you how to be patient, because patience is not my strong suit. But lost out on about $2 million, y'all. $2 million, like we rich or something. We not rich, y'all. We not rich.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Kets Abigail here. I'm gonna stop saying that. Kets Abigail here, back again with another video. I'm bulk filming my content, as in I'm filming multiple videos today because I work a 9 to 5 and it's just hard to stay consistent. I don't even know if I showed you guys my new camera. So this is my new Canon EOS R, the 50mm 1.2 lens, my microphone, and then my little setup that I have going there. I'm charging this camera right here, and then I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna try to film at least 4 videos. You guys, look, I started to take Main Choice vitamins, and this is actually, it came in a bottle of 2. I heard a lot of good reviews about this vitamin right here, and I used to take Hairfinity way back in the day. I don't remember it like doing much for my hair, but I feel like it's harder to stay on top of nutrients. The dosage is 2 a day, and the pill, let me show you how the pill looks. This is what it looks like. It's not too bad, not too hard to swallow. You guys, I'm actually loving how my hair looks, by the way. It's still looking thicker and fuller. All those haircuts are finally paying off, and your girl's damage has been gone. The next salon that I go to, God help that person, because I'm gonna need social security number. I'm gonna need a full background check before I sit in anybody's chair, because you guys understand how long it took me to recover from my heat damage. It's been almost 2 years that I've been having to like cut and consistently chop my heat damage, because my heat damage was, I'm pretty sure she went over my hair like 10 times with a flat iron, and I think it was on like 450 degrees. I haven't spoken to you guys through a vlog in a long time. It's a beautiful day outside. We're about to walk outside for a bit, and then I'm gonna eat. I think my grandmother's cooking something. Hold up.
Guys, watch what I can do.
Your form needs work. Your form needs work. It's crooked. I want to show you guys that we redid our basement. I'm doing a whole complete video on our decor. We're not done yet, but let me show you guys a sneak peek. Come on. Yeah, so I don't think I've ever showed you guys the basement before, but this is how it looks. This is my dad's little closet that he has down here, but everything has been renovated. The floors have been redone. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, and this is a new exercise machine that we got. I can't really tell you guys what I think about it yet because I have not went on it. My mom just bought this right here. She bought the Peloton like a month and a half ago, and it just came. That's loud. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full and complete little office tour once we're done. Look at this bookshelf. Isn't it so beautiful? This isn't gonna stay right here at all. We're doing like a nude/white theme. You gave that to mommy for Valentine's Day?
This is my mom. She's so cute.
That's our mom. Yeah, Mommy Carrie says that you're cute.
She's cute, she's adorable. She's adorable.
I'm gonna go upstairs. Stay tuned for the official office tour because we're not done yet. Tesla has been kicking my butt today. Not even today, but this whole month. I lost so much money for this month, but Tesla is like, it's a growth stock, so it goes up and down. And over the long term, it's like a growth beast. So I'm trying not to get scared or flustered or nothing like that, but it's crazy. I really have to film the rest of my video, but probably take a nap before I film the other 2 because your girl is tired, okay? I'm very tired. So you guys, my nap turned into a hibernation. Story of my life, y'all. I was so tired, so I didn't end up filming the other 2 videos, but it's okay. I already got 2 filmed, so I'm gonna use this vlog as the 3rd one. We're gonna go decor shopping at HomeGoods for some books right now, nude books, and some other accents and accessories for the downstairs office. We have a lot of stuff, but we don't have everything that we need. We need those final little touches to bring everything together, and my mom is like waiting for me right now, so she's like looking bad.
Diagnostic colonoscopy. Positive and negative results made.
I gotta put on my little glasses. I got flaked a little bit since this. Yo, nah.
Let's just say a green shades in the door, quick.
I don't see no green shades. I see something in a green little thing. We just turned the corner and this sun said hello. Like, look. You think HomeGoods are... lot of stuff. Oh, you look pretty in the light. We don't need that many stuff, right? We just need what? We need the books. We need stuff for the bookshelf, and then what else?
The glazes for the plants.
What plants?
The ones that didn't have the. We didn't pick them up.
Oh my god, y'all, my storage card was acting up. But I wanted to show you guys that Krispy Kreme line. They just opened up a Krispy Kreme in my area, and y'all, the line is the longest line that I've ever seen in my life. Yo, the line was coming out on the highway. Like, is it that serious? I've had it one time, but I mean, it was like a glazed donut and it was hot. I mean, yeah, it was good, but maybe I should try it again.
Missing some.
Yeah, maybe I am missing something. Yeah, that's what I had. Like, it was like a fancy glazed donut. I have to go back and try it. Maybe I tried like a
bootleg version.
A bootleg. Oh, HomeGoods is over there. Now for the awkward moments where people stare because
you have a camera.
You have a camera. It's very, very, very awkward. Yo, this pandemic got everybody feeling like Batman. Every second, I left my mask. I gotta go back. Who do I think I am? I gotta hide my identity. They can't know who I be. They can't know who I be. If they say something, y'all, it's actually really, really nice out, y'all. Told y'all it would be awkward. This HomeGoods is like mad cluttered. Like, it's always cluttered in the front. Like, they only have 2 globes. Do you like this globe? It's so loud. Like, crazy loud, y'all. We got something from this, like, from Z Gallery. It's missing a candle thingy though. Yeah, we can go to the back. The towels are organized. We need to find the holders before we find the candles. I may go on Amazon for some stuff and then go to Ikea, but for now it looks really, really cluttered.
Where's the one?
Bye bye, HomeGoods. Bye bye. You did not have what I wanted for the first time in my life. For the first time. This pandemic got businesses going crazy. So I lost a lot of money this week. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Okay? Did you lose a lot?
Yes, join the club.
Yeah, it's a good practice to invest. But there are times, the hardest part of investing is not the actual investing itself or making money. It's the psychology behind.
It's the heartbreak.
When you see
behind the losses.
Yeah, the heartbreak behind the losses. You have to be psychologically prepared not to just sell off everything when you see that you're in losses or you see the stocks going down. Investing, trust me, it trains you how to be patient, because patience is not my strong suit. But when I got in the market, that's something that I definitely have to be patient in, right?
Patience cost me $1.5 million.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My mom just said that lack of patience cost her about $2 million. Yeah, as in if she had held something and been patient with it, just for what? Just for a year or 6 months? Yeah, just for 6 months. If she held Dogecoin just for 6 more months. Okay, this is a crypto, but she has other stories just like this with regular stocks. She held Dogecoin for 6 more months. She would have had $2 million. This is why, you know, we need to practice our self-care, our meditations, or, you know, anything that helps our patience and our psyche, our spirit, so that we could sense these things. You know, the funny thing is, this lady preached to me for months about, she's like, Dogecoin is gonna go up. Mind you, at the time she was a beginner investor, and I'm like, nah mom, that's risky. What are you talking about? Nobody ever heard of Dogecoin. It's a meme coin. Mind you, I'm telling her this, and she's like the Lord told her everything. She's like, she had a dream about it. She's like, Dogecoin is gonna go up. Mind you, I'm telling you, my mom was on Dogecoin before people even knew about it. People even knew about it. My mom was one of the first people, and I will give her the credit. But she had all this faith that it was gonna go up. Then, what did you sell it to buy?
Apple.
She sold her Dogecoin to buy Apple, and then lost out on about $2 million, y'all. $2 million. Like we rich or something. We not rich, y'all. We not rich. $2 million would have done us wonders. Yep. Just for lack of patience. That's the story, y'all. If you're in the market, hold, and you know you onto something, hold for dear life. But obviously it happens. You don't know, but we just, it's something that we laugh about all the time. Well, I'm a little bit hurt by it still, but I'm gonna eventually laugh about it, is what I'm saying. Like, I'm not laughing about it now. But
yeah, that was my baby.
Yeah, I remember all that time you were singing Dodge. Then when it finally went up, Ma, how much shares you got? Not 3 million. Okay, man, you win some and you lose some, which is the name of the game. But y'all, the point is, be okay with losing money, because you know you're gonna gain a lot more in the long term. We're at Ikea now, and they really might tell me to turn off the camera, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn off.
Why? I'm a sneak some for y'all. They can't say nothing to me. It's a free country, baby. You thought you could stop me? Huh? You thought you could stop me? What?
You wanna walk through, or you wanna go direct to the market?
I don't know what that means. Walk through. I be feeling like the man when I walk through. These would be cute to either go on the bottom and then at the top. I love Ikea, y'all. I swear it's my type of store. FYI, we're looking for neutral office decor for our new office setup in the basement. This. What is this? It's nice. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. See, look, they got the nice colored books.
Instead of chasing it, the good or the bad, I'm embracing it. If you make it bad.
Let me show you guys the bookshelf that we got downstairs. Yep, this is the one we got.
Oh, the same one.
Door and then you live it up. Open the door and
Hold up. Yo, this right here, amazing. This is sparkling pear drink. Why is this crooked? Ugh. I got my little tripod hooked up to this pole. But this pear drink from Ikea, this is a sparkling pear drink. It is amazing, you guys. Like, really love this. Even if like sparkling non-alcoholic drinks aren't your thing, this is really good. It's a 3 for $25 at Ikea, just saying. Y'all, I'm gonna close out this vlog right here in this parking lot. Be sure to like, subscribe if you have not already. I'm sorry, I just gotta remind y'all, that like button is easy. It helps me with the algorithm, so just click that button if you made it to the end of this vlog. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next blizzy. Bye, y'all.
open the door and then you give